I always like to start off a course by introducing myself and then explaining what the course is about. My name is Andy Williams and I've been teaching online since 2003. Since 2015, much of my teaching has been here on Udemy, though I also write and publish books on topics that are related to my courses. So let me tell you a little bit about the course. The course is designed to take you from blank canvas to intelligent automated workflows, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a total novice or looking to streamline your business, you need zero previous experience with AI or automation to get started. We'll move step by step to build practical, time-saving workflows that you can use immediately. Most automation courses use what I call the copy-paste method. They'll show you a finished workflow and then walk you through it step by step. This often leads to blind copying and leaves you stranded when you need to troubleshoot a problem. In this course, we use a blank canvas method. We'll start with nothing and add one node at a time. I'll explain what each node does, why it's there, and how it connects. So you build the mental models needed to adapt and troubleshoot any workflow yourself. My goal is to centralize your existing tools into an intelligent automation engine. We'll connect your workspace, including Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Gmail, to N8N. Then we add the brain, the AI tools. And we can do this through local AI options, which are totally free, or through Open Router. Using AI opens up lots of possibilities. You're not just able to move data, but you can generate content, process information, and even publish results directly to platforms like WordPress. We begin phase 1 by starting from absolute zero. We'll demystify the setup environment, comparing local, VPS, and cloud-based installs, so you can choose what works for you. While we do show you how to install N8N on a VPS, this course uses N8N installed locally, so we'll show you how to do that because it's totally free. Next, I'll give you a full interface tour, teaching you how to navigate the canvas and understand the different node types. And finally, we cover secure authorization to ensure your Google accounts are connected safely. In phase 2, we'll dive into the core Google apps. You'll learn how to organize Drive files dynamically, use Sheets to read and write data as your workflow's memory, and use Google Docs, creating them, updating them. We'll also automate Gmail to extract leads and send automated intelligent replies. Phase 3 is where we go beyond simply moving information. We make your automations think using AI agent nodes. You'll learn how to connect engines like Open Router or local AI to summarize, create, or improve content. This allows your workflows to respond to data in a way that feels human and context aware. We'll wrap up with phase 4 project briefs. You won't just watch me build, you'll get a detailed project brief to try for yourself first. There's a content tone rewriter, an AI humanizer, a social media factory, and even a job-specific resume and cover letter generator. By this point in the course, you have all the skills to create all of those automations. And after you've had a go, you can watch me have a go at the same briefs. And if you want copies of the automations that I build from these project briefs, they're there in the resource section, and I'll show you how to import them into your own N8N. By the end of this journey, you'll understand how all the nodes function, giving you the ability to troubleshoot with ease. You'll be building N8N automations from a blank canvas with confidence.